FluenceXL has both a quick and an advanced search facility built directly into the member selector. However, sometimes it can be useful to have a report where the user can type the search criteria directly into an Excel cell. In this report, you can type a partial match into the cell and the matching products are instantly retrieved. Let's search for all the red products by typing red into our search cell. All the return members have the word red somewhere in the name. Next, let's try the word road. The grid now shows all the road bikes. Lastly, leaving the search field blank will return a full list of products unfiltered. How do we set this up? Here, we have the initial grid without the search already set up. In the grid designer, the product hierarchy is already returning everything at the product level. Using the Advanced tab, we then click on the Member Search option in the drop-down. In the pop-up, for our search value, we click on the Range Picker and select our search field, in this case, cell C5. In Search By, we will be choosing Contains. However, as you can see, there are many other options, including Begins, Ends, and Does Not Contain. We can also set the search to look at properties if we wanted to, instead of looking at the member caption. The grid is now set up, so we can click OK. We can now do a search, so let's type in yellow. Let's make the cell blank to reset the search. To make the report available for users on FluenceXL Web, we need to check two settings. First, the search cell should be editable on web. This can be set by formatting the cell, going to the Protection tab, and making sure the locked option is not ticked. We then need to set the web report to refresh when the input cell has changed. In the ribbon, find the workbook options and then go to the Web Publication tab and scroll down until we find the Submit when value changes and set that to Yes. The report is now ready for publishing to the web. I can view it via a browser and still have the interactive search capability.